Hey everyone, Melissa here, and I am BeautyByMo if you guys don't know already. And today, as you can tell by the title, I wanted to share with you all prize mail that I received from Justjasmine24. She has a YouTube channel, Instagram, and she has, I believe, Twitter as well. So I'll have all her links listed down below. Thank you, Jasmine, for the mini giveaway, and I'm so excited to share with you all the prizes that I got from her. They're amazing. I've never tried any of this stuff. So if you want to see what I received in this package, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that she sent is a card that says congratulations. Here it is right here. She has nice handwriting. And it says thank you. And I'm not going to read it, but thank you, Jasmine, for your little message. I am so, I appreciate the little extra that you gave me. So the first thing that she sent me is a headband. And this headband, you just put it around your head so that it pushes back your hair so you can do your makeup. And it's nice and soft. I can't wait to try that out. The next thing, which I've been wanting to try, I just haven't, or it's always been sold out, is the Cork lip pencil from MAC. Here's right here, and this is the color. It's a nice brown. I love brown lipstick. I love lip pencils that are brown. The whole brown vibe is for me. The next thing that she gave me are two mascaras, which I've never tried these before. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Effect Fan Mascara. And then she also gave me this one, which is the Maybelline Volume Colossal Mascara. I've never tried neither of these, so I'm excited for that. And then she also gave me a L'Oreal Paris. It's a primer base, so you basically put this on before you put your mascara, which I'm excited to try. Then she sent me a makeup palette from Violet Voss. And I love Violet Voss. I've never tried anything from them, but I've always wanted to. And this is called the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Comes with a mirror. And then here are the shades right here. I am all about this green right here. It's like an emerald green. The next thing that I have is a makeup brush. And I read it and it seems like it is for contouring. So let's open it up and see. It's from Unicorn Cosmetics. And as you can see right there, it has a nice little fan brush kind of action going on. So it'd be good to use right in the cheekbones to really carve out your cheeks. And then the handle is unicorn, which is amazing. Then the last thing, which I watched a video that she made on this eyeshadow palette. So I actually wanted to get this palette anyway. So she sent me the City Color Poppin' Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I'll link that video down below so that you guys can check it out too. When I was watching her video, I was like, wow, those eyeshadows are really, really, really pretty. So here they are right here. I like this one right here. It's Mimosa. It looks so good. I can't wait to do some makeup looks out of this. If you guys would like me to do any tutorials, which with this palette or the Violet Voss palette or together, whatever one you like, I'll definitely do that. And if you want to see where I have been for the past, I think it's been about a year, I'll leave my vlog channel listed down below. It's Life with Mo. So you can get a little update about where I've been, what I've been up to. And I'm going to upload videos twice a week. So it may be one on here, one on my vlog channel, two on my vlog channel, or here. So if you want those, just hit the little bell button. I'll have all my social media listed down below, as well as my vlog channel. Until next time,